Okay, my friends, welcome to my new system how to make $100 every single day for newbies. With this video, guys, I want to show you my proof how much I make from this system this month. Uh, so let's go first to Google and type time and date USA. So today is the end of the month, like you can see here. So let's go to a PayPal account and let's check how much I make from this system. Okay, like you see here, over $4,000 I make this month from this new system. This system, everyone can use it. Everyone can work with this system. It's so easy to set up this system, and you can make over $4,000 every single month on autopilot. Okay, so now I want to cash out this money to my bank account, and will show you on the 3 days, on the next 3 days, how I make every day over $100 every single day. Okay, so let's cash out. Okay, my friends, welcome back to my video how to make $100 even more every single day for newbies. This is a new system, and everyone can use it to make $100 even more every single day. Okay, so after we cash out the cash from PayPal to my bank account, I will uh, before I will show you my earning this last day. Let's go to Google and type time and date USA. So like you see here is October 1, in the start of the month. And now let's go and log into my PayPal account, and let's see how much I earn from this autopilot system. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, very nice. One day over $140 in one day, my friend. Okay, one day over $140. Like I said, everyone can do it. It's autopilot system. 2 minutes to set up everything, and everyone can use it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will back tomorrow and show you my earning from this new system. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new system how to make $100 every single day for newbies on autopilot. Today is today number 2. I Before I will log into to a PayPal account, let's go to Google and type time and date USA. Like you see, it's October 2. It's October 2. And now let's go to my PayPal account, log in, and I will show you my earning today from this new system. So let's log in. Okay, very nice. Like you see here, over $200. That's mean $100 every single day. This is a new system. Everyone can use it. I will stop this video right now and will back tomorrow with my result. So thank you for watching my video and have a good day. Thank you very much. Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day. Today is number 3. So before I will log into my PayPal account, let's go to Google and type time and date USA. Like you see, October 3. Okay, this is the date today. And now let's go to my PayPal and check my earning today. Log in. Okay, my friend, over $300 in 3 days. Okay, that's mean $100 every single day for free on autopilot. This system, it's for newbies. Everyone can set up and everyone can earn from this system. So thank you very much for watching my videos. You can click the link below this video to start to join this program and to succeed with this new program. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.